So in biota, some important factors are there. That is soil biological factor, important soil forming factor. What are those? Very first, with organic enrichment of soils, has been discussed in our previous slides or previous videos, which link will be provided. We have discussed about what kind of organic matter, how the soils behavior in a different type of vegetation, how the soils will be formed, how the soils will be varies. We have discussed in our previous videos. Please go through the link. So, with organic matter enrichment in the soils, microbial activity would enhance these soils like to be enriched with available nutrients. So, what will happen when the organic enrich the soils? So, when the organic matter is available in the particular soil, especially like in our grassland forest areas, so there what will happen? Microbial activity will be increases. So, this ultimately these microbials will be break down the organic matter and releases the nutrients, and these nutrients will be available to the particular plants for plant growth and development. And also soil organisms plays a major role in profile differentiation. You see, it majorly differs from the profile differentiation. Has best example, for example, you see here, it is a profile you imagine. So sorry, so if the top layer or in this layer, if there is a more decomposed organic matter is there, what will happen? This entire zone is called as O horizon. It entire zone is called as O horizon. O horizon means the horizon which is rich in organic matter. And organic matter accumulation, accumulated profile, mixing, nutrient cycling, and structural stability all enhances the activity of organisms. So this is importance. This is a organic matter, such a important character or important property, which which influence the even profile development and nutrient cycling, and sometimes what we can say, it will influence the crop development also. So like this, vegetation cover. So vegetation cover, if the soil was covered with the vegetation, we can see there will be a no soil erosion. So soil erosion will be reduced. For example, in a barren land, if there is no vegetation, what will happen? A wind will come and will remove the top layer, and it will be leads to the settlement in other lowland regions areas. This is called the soil erosion. This is a separate topic we'll discuss in coming classes. So there are very slow down rate of mineral removal in the surface. So if the top surface layer, which is a very fertile soil, will be removed, means what will happen? The fertility rate or soil, due to the soil erosion, the fertility status of the soils will be reduced. That's why soil erosion is called as a slow cancer in soil science. So human activity like deforestation, tilling soils, like what do you say, or tilling for agriculture purpose, irrigation and fertilization significantly influence the soil formation. Yes. What will happen during deforestation? If we cut down the forest, what will happen? The microbial activity will be altered, the organic matter enrichment will be slowed down, and there will be some change in the soil profile development. And tillage of soils. During this tillage, some aggregates will be break down, and due to this continuous tillage and indiscriminate use of fertilizers and unnecessary irrigation, what will happen? Sometimes it leads to the degradation of the soils, and ultimately, and later if we keep on adding organic matter, means it will be recovered. That is called the soil conservation part, we can see. So like this, thank you.